Welcome back to StoryStep English. Hello, Blaze. Are you okay? You look very tired today.
Hi, Jenny. Hi, everyone. Yes, I am very tired. I didn't sleep. I was busy all night.
Really? What did you do? Did you watch movies or play video games?
No, I was looking for something very important in my house.
Oh, no. Did you lose your keys?
No, my keys are in my pocket.
Did you lose your phone or your wallet?
No, I lost me. I was looking for Blaze.
Blaze, what do you mean? You are sitting right here. You are talking to the microphone.
I know my body is here, Jenny, but yesterday I read a book. The title is How to Be Happy.
Okay, reading a book is good.
Chapter 1 said, to be happy, you must find yourself.
Oh, I see.
So I took a flashlight, I looked under my bed, I looked under the sofa. I found an old French fry, but no Blaze.
You looked under the bed for yourself?
Yes, I even looked in the fridge. I moved the milk and the eggs, nothing. I almost called the police. Hello, police? I lost myself in my apartment.
Blaze, please tell me you didn't call the police.
I didn't, but I am very sad. How can I be happy if I cannot find me?
Blaze, listen to me. Find yourself is an idiom. It doesn't mean you are physically lost in your house.
It doesn't? But the book says find, like finding a lost dog.
No, in English, finding yourself means discovering who you are inside. It means finding out what you like, what you are good at, and what makes your heart smile.
So, inside, so I need to go to the hospital for an x-ray? Or swallow a flashlight?
No x-rays, no flashlights, just talking and thinking. Let me explain. Okay, Blaze, no flashlights. Finding yourself means asking yourself simple questions.
Simple questions? Like, what is my name? My name is Blaze. Wow, I found myself. I am a genius.
No, Blaze. Questions about your life. For example, what makes you happy?
Oh, that is very easy. Pizza makes me happy, and sleeping makes me happy.
Okay, eating and sleeping. What else? What do you do in your free time? What are your hobbies?
Hobbies? I play games on my phone, and I watch funny cat videos on the internet.
Blaze, everyone watches cat videos. To find yourself, you need to try new things.
Try new things? Like what? Eating dog food?
No, do not eat dog food. Try new hobbies, like playing the guitar, cooking, or playing sports.
Cooking? But Jenny, remember, I am the soap king. I ordered chicken soap. I cannot cook. I will burn the kitchen.
Okay, no cooking. What about sports? Do you like playing football or tennis?
Tennis? No. The ball is too fast. It will hit my head. And I do not like running. Running makes me tired.
I see. You do not like running. How about art? Do you like drawing or painting pictures?
Drawing? Yes, I can draw a very good circle. And a square. But that is all. I cannot draw a cat.
Drawing a circle is a good start. What about music? Do you like singing?
I love singing. I sing in the shower every day.
That is great, Blaze. You found something you love. Do you sing well?
Well, when I sing, my neighbor hits the wall, and his dog starts crying. I think they love my voice.
Oh dear, I do not think they love your voice, Blaze, but that is why you need to try. You do not know what you are good at until you try many things.
Try new things. Okay, I will try a new hobby today.
Great. What will you try?
I will try sleeping on the floor. It is very new for me. Good night, Jenny.
Oh, Blaze, wake up. We're doing a podcast.
Wake up, Blaze. Sleeping on the floor is not a hobby.
But I am very good at it. I can sleep anywhere. I can sleep standing up.
No, Blaze. Let us think of something else. Do you like taking pictures? Photography is a great hobby.
Taking pictures? You mean taking selfies with my phone?
Selfies, yes, or pictures of nature. You can go outside and take pictures of trees, beautiful mountains, or animals.
I do not live in the mountains, Jenny. I live in a small apartment. I only have a small spider in the corner of my room. His name is Bob.
Well, taking a picture of Bob the spider is a good start. Taking photos helps you see the world in a new way. You can focus on the small details.
Wait a minute, Jenny. I have a great idea, a genius idea.
Oh no, what is your great idea this time?
I will take my phone, I will open the camera app, I will turn on the front camera, and I will take a picture of my face. Ready? Smile! Say cheese!
Okay, that is just a normal selfie. Everyone takes selfies.
Look at the picture, Jenny. Look closely at my screen.
Yes, it is a picture of you. You look very tired. You need more sleep.
Do you understand, Jenny? I'm in the picture. I can see my nose. I can see my eyes. I found myself. I finally found myself.
Oh, Blaze, you did not find your inner self. You just took a photo of your face. That is not the same thing.
The book was right. The book said, to be happy, you must find yourself. I did not need a flashlight. I did not need to check the washing machine or the fridge. I just needed my phone camera.
That is not what the book means, Blaze. The book means understanding your feelings and your mind.
I am so happy now. Look at my face in the photo. I am very handsome. Look at my hair. It is perfect. I will print this picture, a very big picture, and I will put it on the wall in my living room. I found Blaze.
Well, you are smiling now. If you are happy, then I guess that's okay. But you still need a real hobby. Looking at your own photo is not a hobby.
My new hobby is looking at my handsome face in this picture every morning. It will make me very happy. Thank you, Jenny. Thank you, camera. You saved my life.
You are impossible, Blaze. Just do not show that picture to Bob the spider. He might run away.
Do not worry. I will take a selfie with Bob tomorrow.
So everyone, please remember this. Do not use a flashlight to find yourself. Do not look under the sofa.
Yes, do not do that. It is very dirty under the sofa. Just use your phone camera. Taking a selfie is much faster.
No, Blaze. Please stop talking about the camera. Finding yourself means finding what you love to do. It means trying new hobbies and learning about your heart.
Oh, I see. Like playing sports, drawing circles, or singing loud in the shower.
Exactly. You have to explore your interests. What about you, listeners? Have you found yourself yet?
What are your favorite hobbies? Do you like playing games, cooking food, or taking pictures of spiders in your room?
Tell us your favorite hobby in the comments below. We really want to read them.
And if you have a funny story about translating English words, tell us too. I want to know I am not the only one.
You are definitely not the only one, Blaze. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more videos for you.
Yes, click the like button right now and share this video with your friends. See you next time on StoryStep English.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep learning English and keep trying new things.
Bye. I'm going to look at my handsome selfie now.
Oh boy. Goodbye, everyone.